Hey, what's up, everybody? If you're looking for an Amazon Fire TV stick and you're tired of trying to do it yourself, I have some already made up, and this right here is my eBay listing. So you can go over to eBay. You can look me up right here there's my seller information, Techie Toys 1. And right now we have Amazon Fire TV sticks jailbroken with Kodi 15.2 with your choice of Genesis, Sega Genesis, or Super Nintendo. The Sega Genesis has over 900 games. The Super Nintendo has 765 games. So go on over to eBay, check me out, and there's a description of what you're getting. You're basically getting the Amazon Fire TV stick that is capable of watching over 200,000 movies, TV shows, live TV, pay-per-views, as well as adult content. It spells it all out right here in our eBay listing. The price is $69.95, which is probably a little cheaper than anybody else on eBay, considering you get all the games, the Sega Genesis, or if you'd like the Super Nintendo, you can take your pick. So this is our listing. You can also find us find the listing down in the description link, and also you can give me a call if you like. If you have more questions, my number is 239-234-3040. That's 239-234-3040.
Johnny Cage wins.
Until the next video, this is Eric. I'm out. Peace.